ramen poli. We running ramen poli. Yeah, ramen poli. That's a trago conwa. Anabra, go piso be me mamwa.
Uncle Jacobs, your Central Regional Chairman of the NDC, meaning Mattis, yes, your own Kobe, so be Kwanasa Onkowa. Chief Hamilton, Biden Nixon, your communications team member, my NDC. Andrew Kofi, a Japa Messa, a MP, a was second D. Kofi Amiyao, a member of the NPP National Communications team. Also, a spokesperson, Stephen Team campaign. Independent, you have a bon common down pay. Heading a capa kwesi means at us. Yellow to say, was one apple. A simple crowd. I want you to say good morning. Online.com, Progress Savings and Loans, Cindy Rice, GCB Bank, your bank for life, and the Cabell Vital Rich. What do you be so as I have a pension? Don't grab up on some am you no pepe. I got to good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Baby I bokoze.
Oh, Judan Boyankupon and Modern Asane pay. Mama Muso Mokan or Kratas phone.
Oh, I has it. Bobby,
Bra.
Baby I bokoze.
Ya mini medini na oni ebusan for
oh.
Na no mi hu wo TV station we know I come them. Our TV Africa.
Ah, oh. No more.
Na mi share na money pa yo difo. I am insurance on to ebigun bi so.
Na ma ye free kakranti eje.
We there. Mami chia me papa. Ko pe alloté. Some of us we used to listen and watch him from afar. It's an honor and a privilege. Though we come from two different political no. It's just nice to meet him in person.
I got to fine. A fine man.
When it comes to the issues, the
party for say, "Oh, you're too soft."
Oh, that.
No, I'm not soft.
Or you're soft.
And I'm also on Kobio. Kakra.
Amba.
Kobio.
Kobio.
Yeah. I started politics in 1969. I'm very young, at the age of 15. Now, my political mentor was Papa Umambia, or MPP, or Council of Elders, or Choco, or Fan Opinion at Okwashi. Ono ye shasi mafum mosi opes posters in ya to nyumu ko rallies asine ne kakawo na ati na yeze be nyina ye du bebe edui na bibia wo na wi ehun de ewia omo no mudu watama auto water kwari ana afasini And all return so no one man mudu wo krofofro.
Sure.
We need to give the new and young generation the chance. Then we stay back, give them all the necessary political dynamics. No was a cocaine.
On the most science constitution went to the Nigeria for TV.
And
the young can contest.
Oh, sure. I mean, we have brilliant.
As it?
I think the 40 is okay.
40 is okay.
Next year in Europe, a 31-year young guy has become a prime minister. Now, Trudeau, Canada, he became prime minister at the age of 29. And they give the young one a chance.
The question is, are we proving our worth? That's what is.
That's also the question.
It's not just about say
that is also the question.
The young in I thought say we were doing better until I came. We are not. Every political discourse I engage in is one insult or the other, and I don't think that Captain your call no and being yet.
Young ones,
no, yeah. Make who be there, but they are so vicious, no.
My brother, it will come to pass. It is because of unemployment. And see, everybody is fighting.
People are frustrated, though.
Fighting for a political space.
It's a fact.
But also, every hungry man is an angry man.
Exactly.
Because when you live in a society, the way we're investing, the society knows that you are less than 35. Now, when we invest now, compared to you see age limit here 35. Meanwhile, me 28, and we investing. So you want me to sit at home and still continue to eating from my mother's pot?
And to be asking for job experiences.
Yes, until I'm 35.
Professor Mills had his doctorate degree at the age of 27.
You see, and I'm not justifying, but frustration.
But my brother is right. My junior brother, someone can. You're
right.
It's like when you insult, you become popular.
Oh, yeah.
And say, let us fight with insult to have a political space so that leadership will recognize what we are doing. Unless we change that mindset, because character assassination, undermining, blackmailing, it's what the current youth are doing. At the end of the day, their word will be proved whether they are real seasoned politicians or not. Yes, but we have passed through the mill. See, the funny thing now. Mobaka Krabako of a near Luti. We're 11:45 a.m. or only 11:45 p.m. 4th July, this is 4th July, Monday, this is Monday.
Wow.
And the meaning is
4th July,
and the Macra Trump there on Bomazane on one nice wine be of Chateauneuf du Pape. From right there.
I don't be there.
Oh, the Pope's wine. Charlie is one of the best.
Chateau.
Yeah.
Italian mafia friend Shadow.
Nah, Belgium Fusa will celebrate me party. Zana Marco Peace. A general day of celebrations.
Okay.
If you are here, the Uber. Almost
because you were in Tashi.
Oh, you will be. As you are in the Dahone, Erpim. We young Jenny, daddy, no lies to pick a crack. No, we young visit your job video in the mouth over for years will come on go.
Good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
We be fine.
In
fact, you know, I couldn't district them. And no, I can't want some them.
Oh,
one started shake.
Oh, in fact, which was a friend. Equia be more can equate grass organizing was the a factory no honor. What ye Juma womb name no question me there. Jumana warrior. Captain Yada Oma. Sebi wo e konfi wo nyan kranhye de wo ya da wo de ntentama ye pede ye adwumadza otedam kan ne hu de wo ma ye tase de wo du abrebe na wo du abrebe na wia what America Bashasi. And someone who I will catch your hand, Nemfunia or that your hand. Nanka, Mortin, the Widia Brubi Yara, or the Damahu Kakana, what the Kada of a factory, you who and he said, Kada 1 year Juma or Morty. Now, he needs to make a day Juma no so Kodra, no so or Morty. Intimacy, the damn factory why ada. Oya ada no so man penyin enyoda otu o man nyina na se ma yekopo emu we konfi meka da dam project another dam program no oya wie ya so na wakaye won
special delegate conference.
Yes, wo Cape Coast University na menye chairman crack hona penfu bi na yekekejire mu andisanem na o man penyin na do nanko akufado no boshe wo faction na bana ho keka what to buy a factory. Seven more penny in your hand. Embrace no Kufia or a Canada. Or ya daughter Boko. The maintenance ever head and car, what did the man who can or the kind? About born home body no I am over John Dramani Mahama. Need you my job by year, no see school, no see the head, and him then if me checks here right, or my pain another Danko Akufado or Boko Pukwasi. No, I can cut the sword or damn Pukwasi a runabout. Him that them book was run about in November. Flyover. Sorry, flyover.
It's
rather.
One of the
President John
best.
Dramani Mahama ya kana semya ndokwe. Ono na bredo na was signing agreement to secure bibia funding inara. Asa no refi abem wako.
Secure what's being na one no compare to her.
Oh,
it's a fact.
Nyado obi be kada damadi.
It's a fact.
But in Chenda Nanado Nanko Akufado, Okona Waka Katesodo. Now I started them projecting. So it tells you clearly that Obi and you obey your man penya, Nisha no bayan. Obey your money, no dine could do pempendra, or show money bodo in Boka could do, or Kufi the Boko. That is how come my aim would be. I wanted to hen, say, yes, and the ma. Wakanda wabayena Ghana fusuwenya dama regime no wo na wato abama ho na yehwe the 18 months na ewo mewa yehwe baby ma yedu na yehwe esebi ahon keka wodi yedwuma na yehwe mira awakichi aye nyina yenyim de enka afana 2019 ne de ekosuru bafo
Captain Engiano no.
Obi.
Now abetra yes 17 ma obi akasa.
On can 17.
What's starting in
no
monka kakra.
On can she
spokesperson.
Abai.
Remember so.
Remember no ha.
I'll cast.
Intin ka minyu wanke ba hwe ma me na.
Ami ayenko.
Kama mam fama music artist. Enti se ye hwe mezima aba na ho kakati na ma ye ba ka che na yin de onye ntam. Ye Ghana fu yen trafom yen hwende ye hwedo bobofo mu da bi na ade no se awa ma obi ntwa akono no zuru ntwa du na mu ye no kakafo da mo mampan na nkasa o kan de
awa
yen citizens
awa ntwa kwanan
Intren.
Gusu ntwa nkodu
onye da awo ntwa na ntwa akono ni ntwa
Aba ende ntwa.
na
awa
se
ntwa kwanan nja odo bi twa kwanan obi
ansa na
twa
wa kwa kodu
na wo se ntwa nja na wazu ingongodu
da sama make owonyami
no ya na mokwan normally
owonyami mo sande yesu ade wo anape captain enti nanando danko akufado ya manachi se okopo epoku aseso a adamendeme joma ama emfra nupa oyefie Ghana funupo wo bad man o mo wa bre memu ehu baby man far by nanda amama be musuma mpede me yeni na yenyina yehu da ye chichire o man na se wanyenda mpe captain no aka ye bibi there too much I open and now I tear the new person who I tear too much I want to close
And so who problem in either way you invited John Mama.
Be married
I say be no way invited.
Messi say when invited him on come say began a phone
until you acknowledge the previous
so I have fake
Yo
oh njaza ne bagaza mbedem bisel bibi orisi factory na
chairman say who there
and this Greenfield man and there with dia Abube with dia pass no joke that can feed a factory.
No man penny bobo if obey program cheddar dey na mo orchestra Greenfield farms. Yeah, he went there ansa no reba na
the mo papa na no open a factory in Manzi. I don't know whether it's government private partnership.
Na okay. Oh yeah.
But there's a new Adibia warrior war Guma Asen. In fact, they are clearing more than 2,000 acres of land. I don't know.
So yeah, private, so government.
So government.
Yo, Captain, we there. Akunya menye mame fancho man penini na bedi chibi. Eni ejuma suma omo ede ama man no afa ntuma pefra. Factory no sense mame tin free hotel. Minya chief koso kan aban. O say nchimu no eda hoye. Eye aban na eboa eye ankorankore adwuma amo mesi eye factories no. Enti say e bi aban na AC eye mfidi nyuma no e wo mensi.
Na 462 million Ghana cedis na finance minister so we try for one district one factory
to facilitate the private sector. For example, e bi a obehia Maminchum. It's in our manifesto. And that's what we've been campaigning on. Government is going to partner with the private sector to establish factories. Facilitate. Yeah, see a bit more soft loans with a very low interest rate.
There be one PRO by house no loan.
Me so.
There be one PRO no better than
PRO.
Small boy, offended. JC.
He was here.
The one district, one factory.
I say I buy him. Ebi mo home be ba no mu hia consultant.
Yes.
Nyina can be.
I buy no ebi on be hwe na wa ma consultant.
Nyina
can say land with government be ma land also no. I buy be ma loan also no.
No correct.
I buy be guarantee loan also no. Enti facilitation 460 million.
Obekaya meba. Ye buy no. Ye ne eye Universal Merchant Bank. Na HFC so echo agreement more support here can say almost 100 million. And that 100 million no and no na wa opese oba one factory one district one factory no the bebo. So government is providing the facilitation. Said the okay kind. The point I want to establish here and now they say and yet to say a buying and you could see factories.
No, but the facilitation, you see, initially the understanding of the whole thing was that after you won elections, then you came to tell us that Abain will partner the private sector.
It's not manifesto.
Don't worry, beautiful. Don't worry, beautiful. So UMB gives you $100 million.
Makes it available to the private sector.
No, but story obe any chede. UMB Bank.
When you want to boom,
one ma ban $100 million.
So that
to support one district, one factory.
Exactly.
Finance minister so called parliament ko kade. One district, one factory be take you off. Over 400 million Ghana cedis. Honestly, we chat. And see, from that time now, finance minister read the budget in 2017. Basing then, Damsikan, where is that money?
Where is that money?
Has it been used?
The because factory needs you know. And yet the erection said the minia chief. Meba. Let me make the point. I want to make that point.
Chief Manu.
And yet factory needs you say you see the building. We need the backward and the forward linkage. You know, so our processes. It needs to go on. What I say, and only say you be making sure say raw material available. Raw material available. Juma with regards to I can't do my business no and I say factory na be dina why be. For example, we have a history in this country where you could see Commander factory, sugar factory. Oh, I shouldn't go there. Say, na raw material. So the point I want to make it clear, and say.
So you're putting in place raw materials before.
Yes.
Is that factory for you?
No, raw materials for you.
It's a raw material now. Or your banners are now.
I have not said say.
No, what's it?
All I'm person education. Hold on. All I'm person education. You say, and you are buying NAC factories.
Who can raw material? Main necessary copper loan. Now facilitate. Let me see factory. Pineapple now Mudia.
Captain. The American in the Abai air made Chiremu Akopim say. A yabino and a bois and crancre. Amo mercy in Fidunuma, I will mention. What I say? Very well. Now, Macan is a now. na me chance na me
campaign ko say
na me
doko so amenya. No, I want to know.
Yes.
Does it fall on the 1:1 factor?
Oh yes.
As long as it will provide employment. As long as it will provide employment.
But you know my employees, they are about 86.
Now, Chairman, so even Anthony Kabu is pushing the Obakaka.
Chief, my main, you be some aseme here me pa mami yano,
Laura.
You be some aseme here me pa mami yano.
Masuma mi ke unyam pa.
You be some oh nye juma me ye.
Na ekufifu onye juma.
Oh, I know, yes, I can't.
You hear the matter.
Me da se we be say ya probo ene nto abo efa opening Stephen team. Say senior news of Baba party new joint in 2008.
Beautiful was our beer.
So I never share, I think, say chronicler. Executives of the party, our region, so at the ABTM said the penny 4 years, and no council. Now, the woman say, I shall see no crown, time as soon as no near the year say slogan. Now you see the battle is told a lot. It's an say, Papa Noah, a Juma, Wabo, Ama party. Obey first vice chairman of the party or resource the constituencies. Momo building plants. I know can say Kwabre West, a building plan no, ADC office. Bimbila for Susa. Meno can say building plans no that's what Yamea Domnasa or Bar or Barishinuke. Only architect, but he's good with lands and Honkikan. Na ye koye nim no papa no yobi a wa show eye suban bi a yamanyo sem no ye nhye dan hu bisada. When I say to the extent say okọ no odi ntwa on paba on tinkoda okoso aboa party no say the party no ebetimi ama no home no so 2005 when mera when di nkunim no he was still a member of the council committee share communication so e party no efitu or he was a member of the national campaign team in 2004. Let's fast forward it to recent times. Onyo man Penny Nana Danko Akufo-Addo aye nyuma bebre to the extent say even 2014 Oman Penny Nana Danko Akufo-Addo na the prime minister now he was the coordinator for the Middle Belt sector Bronga Hafo Eastern region and Ashanti and 94.5% of the total vote at the end of the day. Over 2016 he was a member of the national campaign team and Oman da settler communities project communities and since the Fourth Republic in Kunimuda papa ne da no ne boaye e konkurase ne omokoye adwuma enya 13 new constituencies and no kan na ne obuhu our overwhelming majority in parliament no a ne modern boa obokan ho bi obi ekurase akoye polling agent. Moving forward neni so ade bebre but nyoma me nsape na meka and say also MPP ye winning power beyond 2020. It's and says we show your policies, your programs, and concrete proposals are on power compared to the other political parties. Yene ye ba or mani timi peja, or mani timi sima pomabia, or mani timi fan into my pefra. Yen ye ba o manu puntu nyuma nkasa enuma un se ye nyuma sikasem tutu ye sikasem tutu ye enti wo ben hia se MPP beba be ye party a o manu agi atumbre kope the party of the nation, and that can be done when we are able to resource the base of the party aye grassroots no and no tin na ye hia opani bi to system na yesu ntim because party ni nim ni fitete wa ye adwuma, and that unwritten history now and our traditional party nim say wo ye adwuma den, and when you are dedicated and committed to the cause of the new patriotic party now, you are rewarded. For that matter, desire any to a year to any say ahene omo ahofama fufu ko ni mu say yesro mo ani die mo a nyame ya adom a memenda ya da yenim ya July 7th ye kwa abato no a emo mo hwe enchenchen bebre ni ya yatete propaganda de ekoso bebre memetena embro nyina engu framem nanso mo amoye delegate munnim de ka kire mo de mo yesre mo se mo to aba ma opani Stephen Ntima mo kire se MPP yabako sem no ene empani sem no ene amamre no ene yesi mu kina intino emre no so a yensa da yensa yem yekoto jogu from esre delegate se omonhwe na omonto abama opani Stephen Ntim campaign no ekoyi you need delegates Ghana pa you need delegates din komo ye de osi ye bia na emu no de esene fata no memenda mo amusi hene na musa tu hene no mo na ye da mo se mokọ na mokoto aba na ye de nkrata na mamwa mo hwe obi a opani otoso miensa ewo ballot paper no so opani Stephen Ayesu Intima na ma hwe na mato ne so aba opani we aye adwuma ama amanyuko no Bruni Beka, he's an unadulterated patriot. Watin ho prekope ama amanyuko no, waye dwumaden ama amanyuko no, watunu ho ache ama amanyuko no. Enti se ye opani Stephen Intima nunyama na eye party ma ene ye hwe ma nunyam kopem se party for momodin ba mo boye ema nkunimdie ba 2016 no eno ho anunyam hye na nyame ya adoma memenda mo nyina mo kɔ hye o mo anunyam enti no Captain Obi Sam say your campaign no kosen nyame adom ɔka ye ho odi yanim memenda so ɔbɛka ye ho odi yanim na afi ye kɔ yanim no so no ɔbɛka ho no ne ɔmampani aye adwuma sɛ de se na fata ama party no etimi afa ne ntoma papa bi na ɔde afra na maka ne sɛ wie no unua kwa me kese o Massachusetts Worcester Golden Radio ɔsene fa ntie mu ehu
kaja kwa be sɛ me jere so patro MTN shares na da ho baako yɛ 75 pesos ɛtɔ 10 to 7 series 50 pesos saa betumi atɔ akasefo tɔ na nketo ɛtɔ na kyɛ sɛ yɛde kɔ yɛ nimano no MTN everywhere you go Ankaloti former vice president yanti asempa mamin bie wine so yie ma na sɛ na wontumi bie
amba yanti asempo na mama ne year number
you celebrate your birthday in the Kwanzaa.
That's right.
Mixed feeling.
Betaletti, very good wine, Italian wine. No
morning and also birthday.
Amia,
oh no, Stephen Timothy. Well, Stephen Timothy or Pentecost. Oh man, the boys in one.
So you're on your petition or a red wine?
No, by any man, Jack Christ in no more wine.
Our young cap.
Back with Inasaman, the Mexican Mama Neyer number Ninyanum Namami Nebusia Shazin. Friday Anapa Yante Asampapa. I mean, a hawk a crowd or mean there. When you initiate our Heaven's Lodge, my Yafa plan, how best to bring all factions in the Central Region and this is together. Until we started there, the major man were no office or Jirigano. Until we've been communicating with one another. My care there, after Cape Coast South elections, press the football for from will be some answer. Oh. No, what can a man go to na mama and this Lucy was entering, you know. And Jenna, are you wrong? Was in your former vice president, one of you are your former foreign minister, Hannah Teta, of your region, your former trade minister, OSP Gabriel, of your region, your honorable 2000, former deputy minister of your region. Na, I told Sapon Manazi. Why do I have to be blamed? At the end of the day, Obiya for person and father man, bro. In fact, publication by now are twisting. The Oma Akwana Steve Akwansa, the orange woman, the why this. So I was quoted out of context, and he bought into it quietly. Kalute here press if we see more time, you know, as a man can put on Wasaka. So open him a Nemo. Makano what the mokwan do. Ama ye bibi there me blame how. Quickly. 9. On your bia odadi to nakumum. On ye bia azi ye ni yaw. On ye bia okasa basa basa. On your bia party meetings over to on obakasa. Bamu nye maybe on ye discussions with National Executive Committee no shazine chair. He straightened it. And that's Pakwesi Misata for you. He loves everybody. He receives everybody. Oh, yeah, straightforward. Azu chira in there. Eba can be no one some onion qua. Or Bocacho there. Surrender pa impaconacho. And what we have said is wrong. And see, if I yes and for Hoya because after this election, see, if he was focused on how to rebuild the NDC in Central Region. Until registration, branch elections, constituency elections, he's been deeply involved. No, say why you prepared then the last ball 1-1 was Boba NDC, especially Central Region. Then all of a sudden, me get in the Macy. Until oh yeah, yo, never end. I am Nejuan and Tassi. Nima Saturday na Melody Central Region newly elected executives Mayakasa. No mamin. That beautiful lady who pay fini them when she was trying hard to put up a smile, but beyond her eyelid you realize that she is tensed. Nukunuko Nabakani so no so washasi and you a bewu oyatiti because recently autumn they just all of a sudden a bit mazama mentumi yanupo and I could feel what the lady is going, what the old lady is going through. Why she try hard, 92-year-old lady. No there and this in Ghana for yet tell mami number na eje misata na Niger until Matilda yet 10 witches near Shapapaying man because he has lived his life. What was left for him, maybe not the will of God, was to have been a president. But he has acted several times as a president. He has lived his life. Obia wa lecture wa legon. Obia wa be a deputy minister. Obia after 2000 elections, he went to the background, did his consultancy, helped the party financially and materially. Help Professor Moss or any economic policies. It's no wonder that Professor Moss is governor for the Bank of Ghana. He's passed through all the structures of our leadership in this country. What I would say, he's a great man. But you know what? As for Owu, it's only God. When the angel of death is visiting you, you might not see with your eyes. But you alone will feel it, that my time is up. He was healthy. Driving a year, the gym. Or here the exercise. At the tail end of the exercising, let me see. But you know what? There is this publication about the Ochihini or make a statement there when you ambulance and say when you need to pick up. And I've seen Daily Searchlight. I see PVOB in a taxi, Mills in a car boot, the Misata in a pickup. Sincerely, if that is true, no, there is a need to draw an attention to what the Ochihini is saying about our health and its infrastructure. Because Ima, Captain, me accident pi ma fankofo gumi pick up. There, a yo or army mafa or Ghana road accident has to do a lot with women.
Repeat me my.
Yeah, mommy, phone and yeah, you know what would do. Buna before kitty Udisibia na before no because of na anybody chemistry ninti na why you save na ne mommy oko. Ne we want the wounded in the we don't know how to handle them. The impano defumun style ezibama no do na enyina to calm na enyina ko hospital. Anupo Ghanaians yenyime. It is a Red Cross funyi within that jurisdiction now. No, ne say a proper boko. Because people don't know even how to handle you. What do you boy them no when you got to call him team in a year the wounded. Na it is high time we focus on our health. Now ambulances now comes into play. Are we a nation prepared for any major disaster?
No, we are not.
Captain, this is not about politics. Nemo, here representatives were parliament. They've been passing loans, grants. They should direct their focus. The finance minister about parliament. When is the finance minister there? In every road across this country, in your ambulance, in our hospitals, in our clinics, our President Mama, ABTCP, Wagana, you better supply one ambulance. In our various gyms around this country, especially when it is a military gym. I mean, there. If you're for you now, no, we send if you need Land Cruiser Morocco. You ask yourself, so where was the Land Cruiser? And then so where was it? Where was his vehicle? So there are more questions out of these things there. What happened? But that is how it is. That is how it is. A report a year, and you may have hypertension, you may have if you fear Neruko Kroma for Wundu. Mamo uye fi wundu kwa pa san na ka for wundu na owu so the icy hands ozo to oda omonka nti when our leaders die in such manner now, it is a warning, an advance warning for us as a nation. As a nation, as a community, as society, as a party and government, let us educate our people. Sure, abrofum mafamawa. What toys be me if you is it indigo or what? Adibi toy, what is she said, Nebuna was I then, what is she said, no was I a car. Yeah, what yama was she said, was the ambulance, Buna was I a road. And say, abrofum now from the crutch, now even from the home. What is the motoisi? And you might think there is a useless thing. I know what the Bogoha as Obroniwe. We don't buy it because we are not interested. But look, that is the way the white man has been training the child. Was he a bottom? Was he a jamwa? And they train their kids how to love even animals, how to treat them very well. And the every bottom, say no, voice now, I've been.
And say China for sorry, but
no. And China for one bottom, we are no was educated one woman there. China has become the second most powerful nation on earth. Was in Kakakadama very soon they are going to outpace US. Demonauti, but a developing country or young country. Woman indicating him from let us inculcate into our kids what we call responsibility, sense and sensibility. Say yan dam number from school ne brofam kutin na watch one ne want to yen ye the minyaman kitingiti yen form various groups, Red Cross waha, Boy Scouts, the man abroji wayen, and then they become Marines. And maybe as a nation we are not focusing on, and this is not about parliament sometimes in or a place for them to build something for us. They are representing us, so they need to talk, and not when your party is in power. This is not about politics, it's about our lives as Ghanaians. Until my best MPs are all parliament there. Also, the leadership in parliament need to sit with the current government or president and to tell them these are our needs, because they come from constituencies. Now, if we now advocate for the purchase of ambulance in their large numbers, say yenya almost about 2,000 to 3,000 ambulances are yebo supply waha enjoy a fekeke. And see, Captain, there's more to be done as a nation, and we shouldn't look to government alone. I'm asking the captains of industry, corporate Ghana should assist the people of this country.
Yeah, throw letters to almost all of them, but the challenge is that even some of them responding to those letters are difficult. Oh no,
it will be their turn.
And some of them, the answers they gave you indirectly, it's logical, but I know my ref say it
will happen to you. But you see,
logic.
In America, sometimes corporate America helps the poor and the needy. All over Europe. And so go to baby crap who profit for your social responsibility as a corporate organization, whether government, whether private. We also contribution this year, this year 2018, 2019, you have 200 ambulances. In view of what has happened to our big brother, Pakwesi Misata, we are buying this for Ghana. Then we will see the involvement of corporate Ghana, captains of industry, assisting the needy and the poor. Owu oroba onyimide abofaba penyin. Owu oroba onyimide ohienyi eskenyi. It can come at any given time. Nti anabe mama again, mama National Democratic Congress for hina yasha yanwozin yama yanwo yakọ na yenyimide Nyankopon be hyen mu, especially those of us from Central Region. There should be an emerging leader again in the NDC coming from Central Region, and I know by God's own time and by God's grace we will have a leader and we will move forward as a nation.
Medase Chimbani
Captain Medase the mafo free do na me chia weti fu nyina me chia ma kasa na Captain Odin kan ode ma Ghana fu nyina yako na ewia ete free o man do na edin kan da kono mame na boano Dema Chamalote Kaino, His Excellency the former president I went in a baby corn, and the papa win na or ye in Mukwe Yinibi. Na 1 year crown, Missumiti Chirinumu, Messimana on your Namame relate. I mean, no question, I mean, the captain, most in Benifuna, mostly Naya, no Messima when you want my note. And say a cashier being bia or sanso nini jihu de debiano or dinka bomba ba no you're responsible. Then being a baby now or was sitting us on qua on your mamma, it's so task on task. And as some no, in fact, menu casano paying and I may match for you now paying for Kukudam or my paying for my president, Woke chair. Wonifie, but I am them in Chibina didn't wuchichia na asama waban onyanokwa. To be honest with you, Munsela Muntum men convince me de adima we sinyi inti ye huni bi wa na onyi ho na bi to them. Na yaba share na yire sudin. Especially Messima osi onyene nkomodim katebia obotogwa makankan bi na chere wonya won komodi papa fiti no famenda to anapa what the call gym na sebia damasem nyina ozi se hu pain titiri today pa na oyada owo afie anowo position na adwen nyina mo tibia anopa onye na busua kankan na yiri wotu anamo wo yedam fiti wa bana chede o chichire no ho de no regina ye sebi oda mada chibi nyagopo na wosro ono enyini jichinye a onye da onu na sebi onyim moye man no ye yaba man mbaso yako na nanano na yaba fie na yaba NDC busua ni nyina sentinye de captain minyim de yawe there's a political party ne yetoto ye hu ye ya yakopon ya adom na se bibia kodoma yewie na yeto hen national elections na nka chere yegai omampanyi na yekoyi omampanyi na omampanyi no so sabia wa hwe mpa odine tanechira obotum wa bonichi dom no nyina ekekedi djuma sonko a oteda modoma party na ya hwede yebotum ya babema na damasemi wakwakoto papi sabi papa no abana utwem na se NDC abana onye vice president enti obi atna ho na se hwe officer owom bebi awa climb awa kwakodu o party nim na wadwun be yo de onyada ote party nim asabi owo adwene bi da oboboa na wachechire party na akwakodu mpempendo a onu so fi de na hom anana na kuma mu obodua na chede wankasa enya ye ho politician papa osoro hwe dachi na damasemi a watu hen wama nyimpa pi na waboto especially yeah you fifi manto captain sentinyi de oya kaye no ho de se ade papa refu sura na wabana odzihen so ya chede aye nananu wa baba bregu na asomano ofibiri to bir odi echichem na ebiko bebia na ye bombodi na efu kodusura bashena wakaye bibia owo but dem aye kare nyankopon yentumi engine chinjin onu no nyim na dem isi ma chairman kan the publication our twisting ema on pakosi misata his excellency ya memfani crazy ya oma our friend na onaba kwana zo bisande senti modin chichiri mu ye ma na so nyini din komoi oda na dipefe ma yina ye hu de papa no gina ho for bibi because me ma kankan nkrofa a wote chira ehonpon won so wakane na won ta sa won ehon wa akoma kra do odu suru senyimpa na nkasa no po asam no fa no hon hwe asama opanyi oye chama luti odu tugo ya na chede papa ya na we free emu captain onyi no ye normal asama otuhen na yesu ye jairehu no se bi yeko mirma yedi yeyi na yewie na se bia ye pekrabe obi yedi manyimpa na Captain Smart yeko yenda dom Central Region wada nejipefe wa batu wa ya tu fiti 1992 Captain Mboa ya na correct wada nejipefe mi huro ya region bia ebubo abani nyina wie a na anhwen ye na wambubo man ka gina bebia yeden abotofo temio
sure Central Region
na them region ya odidam agree wọ́n abatu mi senka nyina besima yedwen dam na Yankopon so na adwenata captain na sadam za na nka ho nyimpa oba na obeyo mampanyin za nka ode sebia Yankopon so dem my adwent no ka no ha de yen so yebutum ye nyame ye hwehwe nyinara as a region. But on them na Yankopon ye na ade. Papa ya wewu ya yimpa dodo ulza dance na ade bi me ya ma. If the kind of politics I hear we kroma. Captain say hwenye ya enyimde wo Nyanko papa bi pa e bi a wonye politician me de Kofi Ameya. Ana malankasa na chema e wo Nyanko papa bi pa no ye MPP nyi na sanso ye nyimpa wo n'enyim no wo sora. Enyimdo anyini hyehyia o de anyine doja.
Hey.
Yes. Apart from there yehye mu ha ye din komo na debia na se ayi Kofi oyemene ba na me Nyankoyen na debia me Kofi ni fie na me poi me Kofi ni fie na me poi ye betena Kofi baka na de me so maka mede obi abete mu position we take Kofi ni position so o kashe su ma da obaka de don't mind him ono nyi Kofi o kor enti ye ntumpo ye trust. This is the kind of politics I hear.
Wow.
Yes, that's true. It's a fact. But His Excellency Pakwesi Misata auto for me. Martin Sama and painful work.
Beautiful comments.
Yes. But why should it be so? Why don't they train ma Sebi? I just say and sana. Ye tum ya kano kwere. Ma ya ye hunde. Sebi I didn't know one no ya papa. I think that we must learn and change. Now, in 15 months, I'm dead. My party. Gomtirenya, I can 15 months to Mandam and Yoka say, send this is Obo Puno, so Obo Huru, so by your day, Usichama Lieutenant. Na Onam Yankupona Duminti. Na Sebi Wabane. And the chairman didn't casa, we are feeling she share more thing or the Musumede. Mekebina go pen you go and Sunide.
What's
Captain, Medip for we free do not it one dance. Na Medip dear chairman, I will tell you cops no do. Man 15 man to paying far. Would say who radio, one hour won't say, 1 hour walking come. Me did there, I see my again. Who pay for so I free you ma what to tell worry. Stories or you woman now or ye from. Ma Cassia, my baby came Obokoma, Ubia Tibi. You are dimmy, you know, be who be now, be your interest with 15 man to be and with Kenyan who sent in there, Captain A. Pakwesi Emisata saying in a age to me there, Ojina Hodde Macroya. Na NDC were 15 man to moon. Sebi adia ya hwiri osi henyo do oye hade kasese no bian ye ba fa papa na hobrase no na mum no kwa okọ no nye dada kwa okọ na kasa oka ye de sua de kase na ya ye hu nkabo na mpanyinfu ekuku dam awon so wo finfinfin man to ma Nyankopon na do mo NDC no so aboa ma wa ya akase no wonyina wa ba na wonye mmofra ma nyina ye kor na yetum ye nyadam adisuade no ye de fi ye ra papa Kwesi no wu na wewu num na ya kan de onnam da papa ogina ho na ogina ho ode masomdwe Ojina hode makroye na papa ye fie mu abra he nyina so yenyim de bebi aye dunu ye bia nanka orba aboso ye mfi na wa bo hen mechema na kase okay say te ya tenu na also okay do bibi bodo ka na peso po a se fantin penyin ka da masam ne kirewa
okay peso kram
na hu de odo pe wasam ti no onyor ka na ya bombodin na yetum yenye baby na yedi ensaten na yakanda nkanu na nkotide na onam opanyin su na ne ban yentum yenya no wanka tasefo na wankyerkyere hende ma bi nkodu da membiri nti ya adwen da suru na fom ina ye ka bom na enyidi a wofre na enyidi ne su na ne ban na ne bobia no wetum wadanedi won ya di nyinem mezi mo ba ya oban de ma chairman ordinary no kan na yesan yedu mribia yenya de opanyini bi orupeye fi yemu na wekodusura dama kroye dama akomapa na odono yetum ye datna ama history anananu wentum wantro ma ofri yen ja konkansa no mondo odi ba yira atames de finfin manto matra awafo no captain onya atwereba de yenhu na yetwa yenyu so ayentum yen chichire no yenyim na yakopon ye bibi o ye nti ebotum ya chichire bi o mna ehwe abakwasem na kenkan penfo ahoro ya we do man yin nyima captain no ye din waso finfin manto minyin no ye din that un se be subu mu ko agru dibi wo kumase e tefu won fanche manyem yankofo so antefo bi na ye din command ye kan kas ye kan sema na asem no mesi mo ko awos na ozo ya anya abotre na ya kasa dodo san na ye hwehwe ehwo a nka we di o man anyim anka onkrofo de won kan data na ye nya prof nti agru ma prof be president nyimpa no so mi ni di komo maka je na ujafo agru mara nda kasa hweni e usa na onye sebi enkrofo bi nkuti na won de won be de won bedi o man pain nti captain the man say me awa to him oya sama mi jidire Yankopon wan father ma di ambre hende yensu nkuti ni njare ho na Yankopon ofa kwambidu na onye akasa wo kwampido na wa kirehen sebi yen diem yen kasem yen bibiara ayeye biano ya hwani yehu ne mpemfu ekukudamfu na waba abesene ko enti dam mpemfu waba abesene ko ni yenya hwea yebefa won titim na yetu anamon papa obama region no wafa ne tampa efra Ghana sunkese a osun nche yesun kofi oba he adim oya Professor Mills ana onye dem bi asemi ya wa be onye ndise you oya Ghana ya Ghana odo wotena fom wofa committee ho a wofa he oyo man Ghana na sudi na denti na asudi bepo o man Ghana na asudi no aba bepo he adim sadam no ta na no yebesa Yankopon ne aka chenne dama asudi ya bepo he adim yerbo mpai na nankasa na ochicha osun bia no don wa chema wa so hendo na ye feel them asunim na wa yehen inshira asam kakra anope mi fa we feel do ma wete bi
medase amia
yo openi medase ne sa kwenye
I some by press conference
me kan ho asem na me ko bi ne man kan bi de wan ko bi kran kaye nyame ne nukure wom ne se omampani abedi echi dada penny pakosi misata bekwen na me fa ne kren se yi na me ma busuafo nyina ya akoni shede one on one de na menim no menhia no da mpen dodo no na yetene ne yehu no na ne nsem kan bi ene adwuma waye ene soma wasom amoman no nukure wom ne se na menim nya chief edi nkomansa na ye ba ha na obisam se edi akra ne hye mi nkuna ma me kasa ema manyuko ne aban no between me no minim ne nto obisa mesa na no enko edwom na mayina no esanse na emre ni wam de be yina no but
between mu mi no
oni obisa me se edi ne hye mi nkuna what motivates me
but he's asked a question you need to answer
na make a man the reason for asking that question and America say no dear mean fun to jump name no I will respond to him because I'm rano beside them adaje nim no say ba one of the reasons in tia me ba fie say me ba be yaman yosem no includes individuals like Openi Park with same sata so obe kaya ubisa question say say man mebunu no akwanya na omoye amanyosem na me kan say min jindi say ya krado sisia isam esan edidi atem ene ani bra e kom no opani bi to say pa akosi obi a he inspired some of us the manner na oye na manyosem no most often than not no say yeah manyosem a yeah mimi Kofi Amia personally there yeah me kan ho asem a in fact me nya bi kra na maka esan say na mo tuo no nya na mo tuo bi a de asem bi eba no ho sa opani no abobra ama ono ankasa ho baby a wadru no nanka akase obeba be your man in fact now opani alote can be say at some point in the crown or your acting president da intino babobra na migidi mapase oman no so ebehye na nunyam na ya de afata na makani say wi no mamemma eye nyamanyoko eye NDC so yakọ na mensense nyame ebesi omanemu nipa bi ti se pakosi emisata makani say wi no na yaka akọhye eye ambulance nsensem no ọchi hene asema na no ode nchiremu bae ka mepesen ka sanchiremu no kran beboa ye nyina esanse empen bi atwam kọ ye pani bi wu a eye na timamufo no ye pe ne poti ye si ye yasum ye de yasum ye beti ye pesi ehu na kapani ni wo hobi a ko bechirechi mu no nanka ye dwen se nka ne kwanso no so ye nya brante bi a odi pani no esisi ahoro no sa yesa na emwa ohu yesa na emwa de stand dogbe ye npanifo ne nkasa edidi atempa o chihine se enye kama kra enye kama me enye ya manyosem sa ono bi nya adwuna you can he made some valid point over there but the insult was just uncalled for it emwa tinomesem NDC form penifo se money stone kasa na makani say we no said the captain o chire
Kofi aka ma obi a te the atsamoken onye but asem no so
me repeat it but omo okon Facebook me repeat and I say me boss am ni dawra ma no ntin me say me dey say dem dey to mpanifo nim say mpanifo ebi munim dey ochroye makani say we no na mamenkai eye tifo nyina especially etu ahene ne esi ahene for mo MPP mu na centrofo nyina say nyame ya adom a openi Stephen Ayesu in team ochina anopa ebo nundu ewo campaign office ewo Laboni obeye centrofo nhia mu na one delegate akasa afa centrofo mu na asembia o se one omoka no one omaka isan se baby ayedru no nsembi ni na mframem ene nsembi ayekafa no ho no ebi mu wo ha oni mu hia ye no waka kire mu akirikire mu na menyi opani no na asem mfiri nanum ochina nyame ya admo de nyinya baba betudwa na baby o se eda no ode ato na maka ne se wie ne mekoso ama eye delegate ate bio se pempenso a amanyoko no yedru no yewo eye kwantanan no ye paiko benkum a ne ye kire se wadwuma soma a wo ye ma party ne wo bete ne ye se ebi mu se yenkunim di a ye di na no abato no eye omo enunti no ye mo nkaso da bi so bi kasa a kire wa no odi ya edi watam esanse amanyoko no nkunim di e ba ye no ye ankorankore eye asiefo ho no ya ye hihye nkonwa ya ye tari posters ya ye di ye kakra wa ba ye ya ye kasama amanyoko no ya ye soma ye kasi yenkoto nsombra yenkoto aduane mbra yentu hyen emfa obi nkosi baabi ya ye ball eye ballot boxes no eho ban ye make sure say obi mfa bibi boni bi anaso mfa eye papers no bi foforo embeshim na nkebe ye be kan awie no nanka and reflected the true valid vote cast no ye nyina ye modern bon kakra ene de nkunimdi ebaye na mo mpose nko bi ka se one na ma nkunimdi ebaye na nanka wa kire important ne a oyeye esanse mimi Kofi metina ha minim se eyo mampani na nadu danko Akufo-Addo o she external branches no especially the United States omo adopt constituencies especially the orphan constituencies. For example Washington DC metro area ye adopt Zibila Emma ye dia kandia koye, ediska koye, edinkunimdi ebreye. I am for Nana, meaning say Honorable Kenuforiata and a coffer buyer. Adoption of polling stations, meaning say Openiken, Uforiata and a coffer buyer. Oka a voluntary groups are to say loyal ladies. Meaning say an Pure State Housing Corporation and a coffer buyer. So if somebody wants to believe, say indeed, on in the power, he should tell us specifically what he did. But I do know. The opening Stephen Ayesu in team, Eyema, Eye MPP Amanyoko, the year 2016, Emma Kunimdi Baye, and no say Obua, Eye Parliament, Eye MPs, and our candidate, and normal contested, Eye posters, Baye 7,000, opening to say Sylvester Tete, and now Eye campaign manager, Emma Opening Freddy Blake, Oshe Ebenezer Nati, Ablekuma, Eye, I believe Central, or Buano. Oshe obi ti se Fuseni Isa ono so oboano na ohwe mwamwa waboa ankorankore party no so ye call election said them di kan settler communities project constituency and communities and nanke edin opinion okwa no ne opinion leaders kokumba for no mbedi nkomo dagati for no mbedi nkomo yenyomu se bia before no mbedi nkomo no bi edin nkomo kakra edi motor bicycles be 50 ekoye Esa the motor bicycles be 2,000. Any cardiac corporate bodies. Eji omo boys ika film. Any cardiac film. Ebi mo de air logistics. Paracetamol ni adi ade energy drinks. Boy. Ema party no enkunimdi eba yafa. Intini ebe sremo atwa sremo ama yensa da yensa yem ama yekoto dwegu fom. Ese na me ya adumo a memenda. Se mu betu ahene na mu besi ahene a. Monkai se mu besi aye openi 17 aye ohene so mbeye aye dwentenani ema aye MPP amanyoko no se de beya party ni betimi akoso afa ne ntoma pefra ne ya boye ho ban ne ya timi ahye ye ho kutupa na ye de akade bi ehia bia no akoso ama MPP amanyoko no aka aye abamu se de beya mfaso bia o se nya bia party benya bia no onsa asoso binti na me adom ochina opani nim bedi nkomo na wa cheche na wa totototo na nyoma bi oso yi free ho no wabo modern ayiye free esense opani 17 dia ne time aso ye nim ni free tete ni nim so betimi aye
esense time aso
ne mira aso so ba emira aso so say MPP indeed becomes the party of the nation. For that reason we are pleading with all delegates to ensure say ombeto abama opani 17 to ensure say continually we will remain in power na ya boa Ghana impuntunyumem ene enyoma ede eye ahoto ene enigie ebebre oman no opani midase
aka say yapon yenko etamaso
other must mention no go no catch